Okay, I'm gonna do the digestive system first, the mouth. Our lab says oropharynx and laryngopharynx. This is the oral pharynx, and this is the laryngopharynx. Alright, and this is nasal pharynx. I have questions about this with the ears, but I'll leave that alone. Okay, the esophagus. The esophagus actually starts right here, goes down, goes posterior of the heart.
It's been a while.
Right. So I'm gonna remove the liver.
Lab 19.
Goes right there, and here's the stomach.
In my notes, I labeled it like
So
the start of unit
esophagus is right here.
But I was like, I wonder how
Okay. So this is the stomach.
Nervous and digestive.
Okay, the cardia is right here.
Still vague with the nervous.
The cardia, this area right here.
Yeah.
The body
But
is
if you can kind
the whole
of
stomach.
to me, I'm just comparing the
The
lab
pleuris
19,
is
that's included there. I'm excluding from the.
right here. This is the pleuris,
Still, you need the
which is right here in my picture. This is the pleuris of the stomach. Right. The pleuric sphincter is right here where the duodenum meets up with the stomach slash right here.
even right here, you
See?
know, going through the
Pleuric sphincter.
So now, like, tie that
Okay.
in with the nerve plexus from
So the fundus. The fundus is right here
I haven't connected the dots.
near the esophagus slash the cardia slash this curvature, which is the greater curvature. But here's the fundus. So the fundus is right here. The greater curvature is right here. Right there, greater curvature. And lesser curvature is right here. So greater curvature, lesser curvature. So greater
I'm going back to school.
and lesser curvature. The rugae is inside the stomach. It's the fold. So this is it.
What you had to do
Rugae. Okay, on the small intestine, I already told you that leaving the stomach, the next tube, if you will, is the duodenum, which connects right here. Connects it to the small intestine, which is the jejunum, and then the ileum. So jejunum and ileum. The ileocecal valve is, you can't see it. It's inside the large intestine, pretty much towards the end of the large intestine. Right here. Here's the ileocecal valve. It's a basic muscle that lets product comes into the large intestine. Okay, so now we're in the large intestine. The cecum is this. The end of the large, or the beginning, I'm sorry. The beginning of the large intestine. So, small intestine going into the large intestine. That's the ileocecal valve, which enters the cecum, right here. Alright, and next page. Okay, this is the fun part. Now we're gonna be following where all the food, nutrients, and everything else that leaves all the way up to the butt, the anus. Okay, so the ascending, this is the large intestine, the colon. The ascending right colon, which is here. So when the food goes into the small intestine, it come up here to the ascending colon, right? And then this curvature right here, where it bends, is the hepatic flexure. Then it goes to the transverse colon, to the splenic colic flexure right here.
Start with the learning objectives. That stuff's not on there.
Then it will go down to the descending colon. Descending colon right here. Right? So you know where everything is at. Descending colon, I'm sorry. Then once it leaves the descending colon, it enters the sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon. And this Tinea coli. Tinea coli. Oh, I think that's how you say it. Tinea coli. It's this right here, the white line. In other words, here. It's better to see it this way. So large intestine. Tinea coli right here. That line, see that?
I'll return it in just a
Tinea
second.
coli. And the Hallstrom. Oh, that's the thick, I guess the bubble, if you will. This right here, this specific area. Well, all the area, but divided with the, I don't know what you call it, but this is the Hallstrom. Here, Hallstrom. It's talking about this is the Hallstrom. The epiploic appendages is the fatty tissue that hangs off the large intestine. This. So, epiploic appendages, right there and right there. And you have the rectum and the anus. Anus. Okay, next, the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. This is the liver.
Good? Okay.
The common hepatic duct would be in here, pretty much.
Yeah, but I mean, not the way she's
Can't see it. See how damaged this model is, but it should be right here. The common hepatic duct. Okay, and under the inferior of the liver is the gallbladder, right? And the cystic duct and a common bile duct. It will literally be cystic duct would be right here, and the common bile duct would be hanging. I think I pulled that up here. Oh. There you go. The cystic duct is right there, and the common bile duct is this right here. The pancreas is that. To me, it looks like a corn. I always call that corn. But this is the pancreas, and the pancreas duct is this right here. Right here and right here. That's what it's pointed at right here in this website. Pancreatic duct. The parotid duct. That's on the face. The head. Parotid duct. And this is the salivary gland. But the book calls it parotid salivary gland, but in our lab it's called this. Oh, parotid salivary gland. Okay. Okay, here's the spleen. Just in case we have to explain it when it comes out, this is the spleen. Next page. I am done. Okay. That's it for the stomach.